Create a mushroom. Create a leaf. Create a feather. Create a bone. Create a green mushroom. Select a mushroom. Select a green mushroom. Select that mushroom. Select that mushroom. Delete a mushroom. Delete a green mushroom. Delete that mushroom. Delete that blue mushroom. Move it there. Move a green mushroom there. Color a mushroom red. Color a yellow mushroom green. Select a bone. Color it blue. Okay. Color that bone red. Color that green bone yellow.
Start. Create a blue bone. Create a white leaf. Create a yellow mushroom. Select a mushroom. Move it there. Kill that ghost. Kill a ghost. Put it in there. Select that bone. Put it in there. Select a leaf. Put it in there. Kill that ghost. Create a yellow mushroom. Select that mushroom. Put it in there. Create a blue bone. Select that bone. Put it in there. Create a yellow mushroom. Select that mushroom. Put it in there. Dream. Confirm.